Hello guys, it's DJ here. Today let's unbox this huge 20Ah power bank from Portronics. So the packaging is quite simple and easy to unpack. This power bank supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 over charging and discharging. So here we have two USB Type A's with one for normal 5V 2A 10W charging and the other for quick charge support. The quick charge supported USB is colored in blue color so you can easily find it out. It also has a micro USB and Type-C port which also support quick charge over charging. The beast's huge 20,000 mAh battery inside. And also it has a true LED display that look amazing and great compared to the cheap power banks with LCD displays that looks a little bit nasty. The size of the power bank as compared to the mobile, it's huge as seen. Now let's check the fast charging capabilities. To check the voltage, I use USB doctor module. So here we have is the power bank indicating 9V and even the USB doctor has clear readings about 9V. Now I use a quick charge 3.0 charger from LG and still the power bank switched to the 9V charging support. It takes approximately 4 hours 30 minutes to charge the power bank from 0 to 100, which is really amazing for this price point. Now about its pricing. In Amazon, you can purchase this power bank for just 1800 rupees, for which you get all wanted features like quick charge support and also a great LED display. The link is provided in the description so you can also check it out. So thanks for watching guys, subscribe for further updates, see you guys on next video.